What if your electric car could travel significantly farther, charge dramatically faster, and use a completely different type of battery? For years, EV drivers have worried about one thing: range anxiety. But engineers are working on a new battery architecture that could fundamentally change electric mobility. It's called the solid-state battery, and it could become one of the biggest developments in EV technology. Most electric vehicles today use lithium-ion batteries. Inside these cells, lithium ions move between electrodes through an electrolyte. This technology has transformed transportation, but there are still challenges. Battery packs are heavy. Energy density has practical limits. Fast charging creates major thermal management challenges, and EV manufacturers need sophisticated systems to keep large battery packs operating safely. So engineers asked a simple question: what if we replace the liquid electrolyte with a solid one? That's where solid-state batteries come in. A solid-state battery still uses the basic electrochemical principle of moving lithium ions between electrodes. But instead of a conventional liquid electrolyte, it uses a solid ion conducting material. Depending on the design, that material can involve ceramic, sulfide, polymer, or composite electrolyte systems. This opens up new possibilities: potentially higher energy density, different cell architectures, more compact packaging, and potentially improved safety characteristics. But there is a major challenge: making these batteries reliably and affordably at automotive scale. Energy density is one of the biggest prizes in battery engineering. If engineers can store more energy in the same physical space, they have two choices. They can give the car more range, or they can use a smaller battery pack and reduce weight. A lighter vehicle can potentially improve efficiency. And that means solid-state technology could affect much more than the battery itself. It could influence vehicle architecture, interior space, weight distribution, and even how future EVs are designed. Then comes the feature everyone is waiting for: ultra-fast charging. Imagine arriving at a charging station, plugging in, and spending only a fraction of the time waiting compared with today's typical charging experience. Some battery developers are targeting extremely short charging times, but here's an important reality check. A 5-minute full charge is not a universal capability of today's solid-state EVs. Charging performance depends on battery chemistry, temperature, battery size, charging infrastructure, and how aggressively the cell can safely accept power. So 5-minute charging should be presented as an ambitious target or specific technology claim, not as a standard feature of every solid-state battery. Safety is another major reason researchers are interested in solid-state designs. Conventional lithium-ion batteries use liquid electrolytes, many of which are flammable. Under severe failure conditions, overheating can trigger thermal runaway. Solid electrolytes can eliminate the conventional flammable liquid component, but that does not mean solid-state batteries are completely fireproof. Battery safety remains a complex engineering challenge involving materials, interfaces, manufacturing quality, thermal management, and mechanical design. The solid electrolyte is one part of the solution, not a magic shield. So why don't we already have solid-state batteries in every EV? Because laboratory success is very different from mass production. Manufacturers need to solve material interfaces, durability, manufacturing consistency, cost, temperature performance, and long-term cycling. A cell can perform brilliantly in a laboratory, but an automotive battery needs to survive years of vibration, temperature changes, charging cycles, and real-world driving. That's the real test. The IEA's 2026 assessment says solid-state batteries are progressing, but still need to demonstrate their advantages at scale. And here's something important if you're watching this, because you want to experience the technology yourself. You generally cannot buy a production-ready automotive solid-state battery on Amazon and install it in your EV. But you can buy products that help demonstrate today's battery technology. For example, battery-making educational kits and conventional lithium-ion or LiFePO4 cells are available to consumers. These aren't solid-state EV batteries. Solid-state batteries aren't magic, and they haven't replaced lithium-ion batteries yet. But they could represent a major shift in electric mobility. More energy density, potentially faster charging, new vehicle designs, and potentially better safety characteristics. The next EV revolution may not come from simply making the battery bigger. It may come from changing what's inside the battery. The future of electric mobility could be solid,